Imagine downloading an entire HD movie in less than 1 second. No Wi-Fi, no cables, just light. Sounds like magic? Well, that's exactly what Li-Fi promises, and it's already here. Today, we're diving into how Li-Fi works, why it could replace Wi-Fi forever, and what it means for our future. What is Li-Fi? Most of us think of the internet as something invisible, radio waves bouncing through the air. Wi-Fi uses these radio frequencies to transmit data. Li-Fi flips this concept on its head. Instead of radio waves, it uses light waves, the same kind that come from LEDs, to send information. Your light bulb could literally be your internet router. How does it work? Here's the magic. LED bulbs can flicker on and off, millions of times per second, so fast that the human eye can't see it. Each flicker represents bits of data, just like binary code. A Li-Fi receiver, like a small sensor in your device, picks up these rapid flashes and converts them back into information, web pages, videos, anything. And because light travels faster than radio waves, the speeds are insane. The speed and security advantage. Tests have shown Li-Fi reaching speeds of 224 gigabits per second in labs. To put that into perspective, you could download 18 movies in a single second. And here's the security bonus. Light can't pass through walls. That means your internet signal stays in your room, making it way harder for hackers to snoop. The real-world uses. Li-Fi isn't just about faster YouTube videos. Think about airplanes where Wi-Fi signals can cause interference. Li-Fi could stream content directly to passengers without any radio wave risks. In hospitals where radio waves might affect sensitive equipment, Li-Fi could offer blazing fast, safe connections. Even underwater, where Wi-Fi fails, Li-Fi could keep divers connected using special lights. What's the limitations? Of course it's not perfect. Light can't go through walls, so you'd need Li-Fi-enabled bulbs in every room. And the technology still needs to be cheap enough for mass adoption. But remember, Wi-Fi had the same problems in its early days. Now we can't imagine life without it. What's the future? Tech giants and startups are already testing Li-Fi in offices, airports, and even entire cities. If the rollout happens quickly, we might see Li-Fi integrated into our homes within the next decade. Imagine your home lighting system being your high-speed internet network. What do you think? Will Li-Fi replace Wi-Fi, or will it just be another tech trend? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on game-changing technology, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because here at NeuroSpark, we're always looking into the future, one spark at a time.